What is up, guys? As you can tell, it's kind of a crappy day out today. We just lost power and I'm bored, so I figured I'd take the Kraton outside because I just got my rear diff in today, threw that in, so now you shouldn't hear no grinding or anything like that. And yeah, guys, the Kraton kind of looks dumb because it has no spoiler on the back right now. I gotta get a new one. I gotta still figure out the steering situation. Still doing that steering situation. I know one guy on the comments said check to see if the steering stuff is too tight, and I did. Alright, I'm taking you guys out in the weather right now. My phone's probably gonna get soaked, but I want to get some good shots. Maybe try the plow flip. Seems it's not making the noise anymore. Oh. Oh, there goes my batteries. The batteries flew. Oh, and a dog bone. Uh-oh, everything's flying out. I'm gonna get this fixed, guys, and then I'll come back out and have it running again. Alright, guys, I got it back together, but I can't go too hammered on it because my strap for my batteries broke. And that's why the batteries came flying out. And when I put this together, I used too short of a screw for my shock tower that screws into my differential housing. So I had to go find longer screws. So I won't be doing no jumps anytime soon until I get a battery strap. Oh, these. Johnny's coming to play with the kaiju. Now that I got that differential fixed though, man, this thing has some power. We gotta get Johnny's kaiju in shape order so we can get 6S for that. Oh! Oh! Gotta go get that was nuts. Hopefully my battery stayed in. Nope, that didn't. Let's slide it out. That was crazy. Alright guys, that's it for the Kraton. As you can see, the back shock tower is kind of messed up. Definitely don't drive these without the spoiler. My spoiler's all messed up though, the way I had to get it off because the screws were all stripped out in it. So I gotta get a whole net support for the wing and a new wing. And it looks like I gotta straighten out that shock tower too or get a new one. But other than that guys, that's it for today. Definitely subscribe, leave a like. Like always, I'm out.